Closing at 5 p.m. is the dumbest business decision that you are making. Customers don't care about your office hours. They care about their needs and their timing. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step with a real life demo of how my AI agent works around the clock, giving my human teams superhuman capacity. Let's talk facts first. Data is clear. Studies show that when you follow up with a new lead within the first 5 minutes of the lead entering their data, your conversion skyrockets by 400%. So if I could just say, stop everything you're doing, here's a machine that's going to 4x your business by doing this. Would you do it? Here's another statistic. 78% of customers choose to buy from the business that responds to them first. This means it's most likely not about being the best product in the market or the cheapest, but the first business that replies to your prospect. McDonald's, Amazon, even 24/7 gyms have built empires around being always open. But today with AI agents, anybody can. And that's the beauty of applying technology to augment what we are good at as humans. But still, most businesses close their doors at 5 p.m. Try to walk in Sweden to a bakery at 5:1, they won't sell you bread that they already have. It's ridiculous. I think this needs to stop, and I think AI is going to make it stop. The problem with today's options are pretty clear. If you have a human team, you need to have shift systems if you're going to have longer opening hours, and evening shifts and weekend shifts are typically very expensive. Humans are also not perfect when it comes to things like this to do repetitive tasks. We are much more creative, we're much more whimsical in our agency, so we want to do things that are more exciting. And when it comes to repetitive tasks, it's very easy that the quality starts going down. And when you eventually end up losing a human employee, you need to retrain somebody new, and that takes time. And after a while, if you're a small business owner not making enough cash, you kind of give up, right? You can have outsourced call centers. I remember going to a hotel here in Sweden where they had a webcam check-in, and this guy was sitting somewhere in China or in Philippines, so I don't remember where. And he did the check-in, but it felt cheap. It didn't feel premium. Sure, it was a 3-star hotel, but I still expect a better quality service. There could be bad accents. There could be not understanding local idiosyncrasies, not feeling safe. So you don't want to outsource something that's so core, which is actually speaking to your customers, in my opinion, to a third party that is not connected to your business. And finally, you have the voicemail, right? If somebody's calling into your business, you have the voicemail or the IVRs. Customers hate it. Who wants to call and speak to an IVR at 8 p.m. in the evening? Nobody does. Would you do it if you're a customer? Probably not. So here is the ugly truth. You're stuck choosing between expensive, inconsistent, or ineffective. So option 1, keep throwing money at staff and overtime. Option 2, find a cheap outsourced agency, but sleep poorly at night because you know the quality isn't great. Option 3 is what I chose. It's an AI agent that gives your human team superhuman powers. Let me show you how. Hi, this is Mahesh. I have some questions about your pelvic health program.
Thank you for sharing that, Mahesh. Our 12-week pelvic freedom program is designed to help with symptoms like incontinence and a bulging sensation using a holistic, non-surgical approach, no Kegels or invasive procedures.
I'm exploring options for my wife who has symptoms of prolapse and she doesn't get the help she needs from where we live over here from therapists. Can you just walk me through what makes your program different compared to a lot of other online programs that have similar exercises?
That's completely understandable, Mahesh. Many women come to us feeling skeptical after trying other programs that didn't help. What makes Moonrise different is our holistic, expert-led approach, daily live support, and a 100% money-back guarantee if you qualify, complete the program, and don't see results.
Yeah, can you tell me a little bit more about how the program is structured?
Absolutely, Mahesh. Here's a quick overview. The 12-week Pelvic Freedom Program is a holistic online program designed for women to restore pelvic health naturally. No surgery, no Kegels. It includes personalized onboarding and assessment, daily guided exercises, 10 to 15 minutes per day. Would you like more details about the guarantee or payment plan?
Do you have any free resources she can get started with so she gets a taste of what you guys offer?
Yes, absolutely. We offer several free resources so your wife can experience our approach before committing. Would you like me to send these free resources to your phone so you can easily share them with your wife?
Please do. Can you just SMS me the links, please, to my phone number I'm calling you from?
Perfect, Mahesh. I've sent the links for all our free resources to your phone, and I'll include details about the 12-week program as well. If you or your wife have any more questions, feel free to reach out anytime. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you so much. I'll send this to my wife and I'll get back to you. So that was it, guys. That was an AI agent that picked up my call after hours because everybody's gone to bed, and is able to answer really well, really succinctly, and meet our prospects' needs. Now, what happens behind the scenes is that I get all the notes transcribed into my CRM. And if it was a hot lead, which is an AI tells me if this is really a hot lead or just somebody exploring. If it's a hot lead, my teacher calls them up tomorrow and follows up and sends an SMS, and there's a manual routine that takes over. If it's not, they just get nurtured into our emails. So there you have it, guys. Every narration, every call is logged, it's transcribed, it's traceable. You can use AI to look at the data from the call and really route from there. No more missed calls, no more calling back. Can you imagine how amazing that would be? And that future is already here. So let me ask you again. How many leads did you lose after hours last week? How many marketing dollars went into the trash can because you didn't follow up with your leads fast enough? How much money did you lose because nobody picked up your calls? How much money did you lose because you didn't return your customers' calls on time? The AI agent I showed you for Moonrise works 24/7, never complains, never misses a lead. Is it perfect? Does it get everything right? Of course not. That's why it adds as a co-pilot to the human sales team. If you want to implement my workflows on Zapier or N8N, comment on this video below and I'd be happy to send it to you. Let's stop losing customers because it's 5 p.m. and let's start implementing AI agents that give your human team superhuman powers. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm new to this whole YouTube game, and your actions would help me produce more content and would help the algorithms like what we do. Until I see you in the next video, take care.